Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Banana Hub. And this analysis is not your typical mentor analysis. This is going to be a deeper analysis. We will analyze the market for the next week. That means that next Monday to Friday with multiple time frame, and we will break down the support and resistance news and trend line and other thing. And we will find out our proper path or direction for the next week. That means for the next Monday to Friday. And as you can see there was our last week's sell entry, and if you especially follow our YouTube channel, you may know that we was sent a sell entry in that particular area. Market was around this particular area, and we told that market will go little bit up till around 3355 zone, 3355 to 3355, 3357. That means this 20 bips area will be our particular entry zone, and then it will drop, and exactly it happened. It just touched 3355 zone and drop almost 400 pips, and again it just trying to reach out, and we announced that into our Telegram channel that entry going to be end soon. So if you taken that, you may have closed that. And if I especially want to show you our Telegram channel, as you can see there, we are sharing a lot of thing, lot of analysis into our Telegram channel. So if you want to join there, or if you are finding a reliable free Telegram channel, you may join there. And if our daily free signal or free entry and free analysis works for you, then you can go for premium for daily 5 to 8 entries. Okay, so let's start our analysis. And before that, I want to show you our last week premium trading result. As you can see, we taken 27 scalping entry, and we own 24 of them, and total SL, that means a cut loss, was 3 entry, and we made around 1550 pips profit in the last week. Okay, and let's remove all of the previous drawing, and we want to start analyzing the market from trust. Okay, so as per our trading style, we are going to analyze the market firstly from weekly, then daily, then we will find out the proper path or direction or entry in H1 or H4 time frame. As you can see there, as per I can see there, market is still on bullish trend right here, bullish trend right here. Okay, market is trying to go up each and every time, and market was trying to create a pattern about the particular area. Okay, so let's get back into daily time frame to check our, if we find out or if we got any major zones or any major support or resistance or trend line area. And if I especially want to draw a trend line around that particular area, that means this particular area, as you can see there, market was following that trend line from 1 2 3 and 4 time. Okay, and if I want to draw a trend line zone, or if I want to draw a support area, that means particular support area from the market, as you can see there, market was following this support area. And you may say me, or you may ask me, Mr. Boom, that also a zone, or that also a area market does follow 3 time. And I want to show you one thing about that, that all was fake breakout 1 2 and 3 time. That means this 3 time market was breakout for fake, and those are the real resistance area for the market. Okay, and if I want to show you that, I have to go for a smaller time frame, and we will go later for that. And for now, we just mark that as a vertical line. Okay, so if I want to analyze or see the market, as you can see there, for now, what can happen for now, what gonna be happen for now, you know that market will touch there, and again maybe it will touch here, or if it break that, for a simple traders strategy, it will touch here, and again it can may drop from that particular area. Okay, and we will never done the typical analysis. We have to follow proper strategies to analyze the market. As per our last day, if I go back into 4-hour time frame, as you can see there, as per our last trading day, that means here in that candle in H4, here in that candle, I mean, okay, let me check a rectangle. In that candle in H4, as you can see, the market was moved a lot from 3323 or 21 to 3378. That means here is almost 500 plus pips moves for the Fed's interest rate curves. So there is something happens that called fundamental thing. Okay, so we have to follow the fundamental thing before we want to take entry or before we gonna enter the market. So let's get back into forexfactory.com. As per you can see there, I just selected forexfactory.com's economic calendar over here, and there we have next Monday to Friday. Okay, all of important news. As you can see there, Monday we have on USD news over here, and Tuesday we have some few news that was semi major, and Wednesday we don't have any major news, so maybe market is going to move sideways. And for Thursday we have unemployment claim and prelim GDP QQ news, and those two, that means red color news, are very important, and orange color news are less important, that means semi major, and others are non important news. Okay, and in Friday we have core PCE index that means this one is major, and we also have offensive member volatile specs and revised UOM consumer sentiment news. So we have to keep our concern on that all of news also, but they all are not important like the Fed state. Okay, Fed state over here. So let's get back into our analysis, that means technical analysis. Those all news not important like this bigger candle. Okay, bigger candle, that means Fed cut the interest rate and there is a lot of inflation happens with registered dollar and gold just flying. You may know that as per my technical analysis, if there is inflation, any kind of inflation happened, gold will rise up or spike up, and if there any stronger strength happen with dollar, then gold will fall down. Okay, and if we include the fake breakout, and if we want to draw a trend line over here, as you can see there, market just reached our trend line. And one more thing over here, market will open with a gap over here, so we can take entry in that particular area. So we have to escape this trend line for now. That will not works for us, or that will never works for us, so we need to wait. So let's remove all of the previous drawing and let's find out our entry in H4 time frame. Okay, as you can see there is a trend line over here, and we have our support zone. We have our support zone around that particular area, I mean this particular area, and there is also few many things going to happen in the market. And especially if I want to go H1 time frame for now, as you can see there is more clear visualization in H1 time frame also. And if I want to show you one thing, that is, as you can see there, we have to stay with the previous candlestick or previous time frame. As you can see there is one thing happened, and market touch few time in that particular zone. That, as you can see that it just entered the zone, and again higher high, then higher low, then higher high, then higher low, then higher high again, and higher low. That means breakout happens, and it's just trying to move with a pattern over here also. Okay, in that case there is also a pattern. If I want to draw that, as you can see there is also a pattern. Okay, there is also a pattern is working like the channel. That means, as you can see, there are lower high, lower low, again lower high, lower low, again lower high, again. You just try it, but there was Fed interest rate cut news, and it just fly up. Okay, so what can be happen next into the particular area? So if you want to take a look into H1 time frame, let me clean all of them. It's really look the messy. And as you can see there, if I want to draw another trend line into that particular area, as you can see there, okay, let me make it H4 again to zoom it little bit more, and let me make it perfect. Okay, okay now. So as you can see there, it's just trying to follow the channel. Okay, and if I want to make that like here once more time, as you can see, market is trying to follow channel each and every time. It's just trying to follow channel. So what can be happening? As you can see, there is a resistance trend line, and then again it just get back trying to go up. Again it touch our support trend line, and again it may create another pattern over here to go our this resistance area. Okay, then we can consider a sell entry. Depend on the what? Depend on the candle confirmation. If it give us a candle confirmation, then we can consider a buy entry. And again, for if it make more fly from this particular area, as you can see there is also a fake breakouts resistance area. So we may wait till this particular area, like that one, that means this area, it will go up, and again we can consider a sell entry. Okay, so without candle confirmation we can't do anything above here, and we also have to take a look into the news movement, or what news saying, or what type of news data coming into the market. So you have to keep your concern news data also, and the fundamental technical thing also. And if you ask me, Mr. Boom, what is the final conclusion? We can take any entry without candle confirmation or without the market confirmation. And for me, for now, it will go up till that particular area, and again if it gives us a candle confirmation to go sell, then we can consider a sell entry over here. And if it go up, or if it make a breakout over here, we will wait till this particular area, that means this particular area, then we can consider a sell, depend on the candle confirmation. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, what will be our entry? Okay, let's consider our entry right now, and we are going to take our entry depend on, suppose we get a confirmation in that particular area to go sell, then we can take our sell entry around this particular area, depend on risk to reward ratio. Okay, our risk will be 1 and reward will be 2 or 3. Okay, that means we always take risk to reward ratio 1:3. Okay, 1:3. So we have to take our entry with 1:3 risk reward ratio, and if this zone fails, we will take another sell entry around this particular area for that. Okay, there is also 1:3 risk reward ratio, but without candle confirmation we can take any entry. So I hope you understand all of the thing, and we are sharing a lot of technical and fundamental analysis into our free Telegram channel. So if you are really interested to trade, or if you are a serious trader, so you may join our public Telegram channel. It's completely free. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.